Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for our Thursday live video tutorial. Today and for the next few videos, I wanted to show you some samples from the Oh Holy Night bundle in the new mini catalog. Now, some of these items are already out of stock, but they are coming back soon. So mark the video, mark the blog post so you can come back and refer to those for the item numbers and supplies if you want to. And also a reminder that anybody places an order this month online using the September host code will receive a free embellishment. So you don't want to miss out on that either. Okay, so today I wanted to start with a nice, and this is a simple card. I'm starting with a Night of Navy card base. I'm using the Oh Holy Night designer paper. So I've cut a piece of this beautiful star paper. It's got the swishes in there. And then this is a big piece of like sandpaper. It's kind of cool looking, but I'm just gonna trim a little bit so it just gives a little bit of movement to that. We do have some paper in there that already has a sky and sand, but I have used this so much that I am out of most of my paper. I have ordered a couple more packs. So we have to just make do with what we have. So we have lots of options, lots of sky papers. We have the sand. The back would be a great fall paper as well. It's got some great patterns on the reverse side. So I'm just going to make myself a little desert background here. I have a piece of white for the inside. We'll stamp that in a minute. And then I have die cut this gorgeous manger out of crumb cake. Now, if you look at the stamp set is just words. And then the dies have a great manger scene, nativity scene. So we've got the group here with Joseph, Mary, the baby, Jesus, and then we have a couple of kings and a sheep. Then you can cut extra sheep, the donkey, a cow. We have a camel, which I have in another project right now. We even have some fun clouds. So full manger scene, but today I am using the manger, and then I've cut out this one main scene. This does not, you don't have to have a ton of die cutting. I'm looking for my glue. You could just die cut 2 pieces or even 1 piece. I'm doing a project right now that I'm just using the camel on for a retreat coming up. All right, I want to get this centered and down far enough. Well, that's nice. That little star kind of shines through. All right. Then we have our manger scene, and I'm just going to, or a nativity scene, I'm just going to glue this down. Not too much glue, a little bit will do you. Okay, we're going to put this right here so it looks like they're kind of in shadow. All right, now we're going to add a star. So we have these great self-adhesive gold stars. And I'm going to add a large star to the top of my manger right here. Okay. And now let's get a sentiment stamp for the front. I'm using a piece of basic white cut from the Countryside Corner dies. And I'm going to stamp Joy and Peace on the front of that. And this is going to go on the front of the card. Trying to get that centered. Okay, not too bad. And then for the inside, I'm going to do Glory to God in the highest. Got a white speck on there for some reason. Let's try this side. It's one of the best things about our paper is it's double-sided. Okay, now I have this ribbon. This ribbon is gorgeous. It's an organdy ribbon. It's navy blue with these gorgeous gold flakes in it. I love this. Okay, I'm just folding it in half, and then I'm going to tape it behind my sentiment. Just about right there. I could use double-sided tape. I'm just going to grab a piece of Scotch tape just to get it held down there. And then we are going to pop this up. So we'll grab some dimensionals. Oh, look at that. It only grabbed the top. I'm just going to put some seal adhesive and stick that down so it will hold. And let's just put some seal adhesive here. Boy, that was harder to stick on there than I planned. Okay, I think it's stuck down now. Excuse me. Okay. To make sure all layers of that ribbon are down. And I'm just going to place that right there. And the front of my card is done. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous, but quick, easy. That would be a great one to mass produce for your Christmas cards this year. And we're done. I mean, how quick and easy was that? It took me just like a minute and a half to die cut. And if you're cranking it through and making 20 or 30 of these cards, it goes very quickly. All right, I hope you enjoyed our project today. Check back on Saturday. We have another one using the Oh Holy Night Suite. And make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you soon. I see we have Karen on. Hi, Karen. Whoop, excuse my fingers. I'm just scrolling through. Okay. Just have Karen on. All right, thanks everybody for watching, and I will see you Saturday. Bye-bye.